Good morning, guys. Good morning. How are you? How was your morning? Giveaway today. And Q probably is going to be boring today. So, going to pay attention on gold. Uh, how's your morning, guys? So on gold, we created 5 minute British order block, and if we are going to hold this, would like to see drop like $7-8 immediately. Give me 1 second. Today is Wednesday, right? Mm-hmm. Up 1K, that's amazing, guys. So once again on gold, I'm looking if may hold this blue line on my chart. And if so, should just retrace down somewhere right here to be a bullish 5 minute order block. Basically game from 5 minute bullish order block to British order block. I mean from British to bullish. Give me 1 second. Yeah. So that's it. So we have SMT with silver so far. We have 30-minute sweep, but we have equal highs higher. And my idea on gold, if it manages, I'm not sure yet, but if it manages to stay below this level, I will look for quick short. I'm going to connect account right now. So yeah, I would say basically gold looks more bullish on high time frame. For micros, MJC is what I'm going to trade. It should be August contract. So once again, if manages to stay right below this level, would like to see this. It's not going to be 2R probably. Not sure yet, but we will see. Yeah, plan to trade gold today. How it goes, we will see. So market is open. I don't see like volatility yet. I'm going to highlight 50% of order block just for, oops, rental. But in Q, I mean, I'm fine with NQ today as well, but just just need to do something uh with my psychology, I guess. So really need to stay below 50% of this order block. I mean, it's going to be extremely aggressive stop loss. No reason to put this right here. But I don't see displacement yet. Trying to displace right now. 19. I'm going to switch right now in 5 minutes. Try to try this. On weekly, overall looks more bullish. We got reaction from weekly fair value gap. Basically, we closed inside weekly fair value gap, move from external to internal, back to external. Like makes me feel like yeah, it can be potential bullish sign on high time frame. But once again, on 5 minute chart, preferably to see this. So this is gold chart. And it's time to switch trading different instruments. That's it. You have to get to intervals. What? I didn't get your question. I mean, your message. Because yesterday night I executed long on gold. It was 9 p.m. or something like this. It was immediately $15. And silver, I mean, what's the point to trade silver if gold seems stronger? Just in my opinion. Guys, do you like this? I mean, idea is only like what I see so far. Looking for conservative targets. That's it. Why I was looking for this short, I mean, reason was I saw potential 30-minute sweep as well as it's still potential area sweep right here. And if I want to look for scalp, probably I want to look from same PD raise. For example, it can be from order block to order block, from fair value gap to fair value gap. You got this for like from same PD raise. What is this? Hey, how can I close this? Oh, escape helped. So, what also was watching CL this morning. I was watching perfect SMT between CL and HO. Guys, I'm going to. Did you say? Yes, I did say scalp. Yes. No, today I'm not going to trade NQ. I already said that like several times. I mean, I still use NQ, but it's time to switch to different markets. It's really time to do this. When I see seek and destroy, what I need to sit on my butt and wait for something to happen if I can just look at different markets. Because candlesticks are the same at every chart. So imagine it's not gold. Imagine it's NQ. Would you short this NQ chart? Yes, you would short this. So it's short. Wow. So that's only what makes sense in my humble opinion. That's it, guys. That's it. One year ago. He's so kind. Okay, you said that 1 year ago. It helps you? So, guys, if you right now short this gold, I just highlighted this 5-minute OB, and the question is if we get like move from order block to order block. So at this point, it should be partial. So I will call this like partial level. So let's see if we get this. So we're expecting seems like propulsion block so far, but honestly, would like to 75.3 to see this level. I would say looks like in Q, just bullish, like long with closed eyes. No reason to talk about this. To your senses, proud of you. Thank you. But anyway. It's like short-term low. Should I call this like short-term low? Let's see if if it can offer a move from order block to order block, which kind of makes sense to me. So far, we got from order block to propulsion block, which doesn't really make sense to me logically. I don't mind to see a move to this blue line at least. But if I take short-term low, it's going to be even better. So let's see. Once again, seems like give me 1 second. I'm going to just here we go. Seems like on high time frame it looks more bullish. I mean, gold is permanently bullish. But overall, like once again on gold, on weekly, what I see so far, we got external range liquidity, we got internal range liquidity, and seems like it's going to be moved to external again. So as long as we hold this weekly fair value gap, I'm more bullish on gold. But it doesn't mean like I cannot scalp shorts. Why? Why? I mean, it's impossible to answer this question. No, if ICT going to visit us today, so we're going to ask him. But lots of people sent me links where I need that I need to watch. It was like a couple of videos about first presented fair value gap, so we need to watch this. Okay, let's check in queues for just for now. So absolutely nothing on NQ yet. So absolutely nothing for me. What I see, so just looking for a chart so far, we got solid sweep. I usually call it like double sweep over here. And over here. So basically we got double sweep, price expanded higher. That's all. That's all. It's not really sweep yet. It can be sweep for potential continuation higher, like between 10 and 11. So I'm not interested right now on NQ, honestly. So yesterday, before I went to bed, I was like, okay, Dasha, tomorrow you're going to be focused on gold, CL, something, but not on NQ. And that's why today I'm sitting on gold. Pretty much balanced leg up. Oops. Balance leg up right here. So previous week high seems good target on both yes and NQ. We're so close to this level. But once again, I'm not interested right now in trading. NQ, here's what makes sense to me. Yes, I do speak Russian. Yes, I do speak Russian. CL targets in previous. If you go on weekly chart on CL, you will see we have equal highs. And I do like equal highs, but I'm only interested in the short on gold. That's it. Just trying, I'm trying to be focused and if not in Q, but I don't want to trade in Q. Like, time to not divorce, like, take a break from this. Guys, you can hate me, but I'm going to most likely trade gold and CL the rest of the week. That's what I want to do. That's where I'm profitable. So yesterday I took perfect long on at 9 p.m. on gold. So I see more profitability on gold than on NQ. I can be wrong. Lots of money on every single market. But if you see like you're not in sync, for example, with NQ, what's the problem to trade different market, for example, gold? When it's literally offering textbook setup, I'd rather to take like short on gold than wait for NQ or something. I mean, here is setup, for example, on gold, which seems obvious based on liquidity sweeps, 5-minute OB. But honestly, when I see this on NQ, my stop loss is not going to be like, for example, if I want to trade with 5 micros, Don't cheat. I'm going to cheat on NQ. I'm so sorry about this. But honestly, when I see the picture, same picture on NQ, I see this as 100 point stop loss. I was like, what kind of giveaway today? Take profit trader. You think gold is harder than NQ? I'm ready to argue about this. Because when I was trading gold, silver, CL, I found much more profitability than a trade NQ or ES. I can be wrong, but that's what I see. So this morning when I was checking gold, I said I would like to see previous day low level, especially just looking on daily candle. Kind of makes sense to go to previous day low level, but I'm not going to say like we will go there because it's like lots of points to drop. I would say like 50 points to drop from current price level, even more. So it's not 50, 20 points. Why I was okay, then possible. Yes, previous day low close, pretty much closed, but I'm not going to aim for previous day low level because I have no idea if we can go there. I don't mind just looking at daily candles, but if we get this, yes, I do trade gold as I traded in Q last year without any problems, but let me check what's the price right here. It's 75.3. Let me check MGC because seems like we took this level. 75.3. What's the low of this candle? Yeah, I was like, why gold did not take this? So on MJC micro gold, we already took this level. That's strange because I clearly can see right now on my Ninja Trader we took this level to the tick. I mean, okay, guys, compare. Looking right now on NQ or looking on obvious short on gold. What would you pick? Ideal question. What would you pick? So I'm going to see it probably next 30 minutes on gold and try to react. So far, basically, we have hourly immediate. It's not hourly. It's 30-minute immediate rebalance. Basically, we have hourly immediate rebalance as well. We're trying to respect hourly fair value gap. As you can see, it closed inside hourly fair value gap, which makes me feel like it's still possible to see lower. Let's see if we get this. Interesting once again, this partial level taken on micro gold. Yesterday, also, I remember I was long and my stop loss was like at swing low. And I was watching like gold, like mini, took this, but micro gold never took this. I was like, why did not stop me out? Because gold took this level while micro, I mean MGC, failed to do this. I was like, I'm just lucky, probably. So I would say makes sense to wait for 10 on NQ if you want to trade NQ because we have right folder news at 10. Good morning, guys. If it may offer on NQ like potential 10 AM retracement, like not really reversal, but retracement, I might give it a try. But right now, all I like is short on gold. Not going to switch right now on NQ. What about minute short? Yeah, I mean, I don't really like this. Silver. Silver also inside hourly fair value gap so far. Let me turn on demonstration tool. Also inside hourly fair value gap. I cannot say with reaction right here, we got solid move done. It offered minor like sell side sweep. That's pretty much it. So I don't really like this. Building triangle? Can I call this like triangle? If you use this trade on gold with 1 mini, for example, you can take partial at this level right now because micro gold already took this level for some magical reason. Honestly, I see gold much more better right now and more obvious than NQ. That's it. I cannot say it looks bullish on silver. It just offered SMT, seems like SMT, and it might be like retracement lower with delay because we closed inside hourly fair value gap. I just feel like a reaction from this hourly fair value gap was kind of not really strong. Just seems like. See, it's still inside hourly fair value gap, so I kind of would like to see still lower, but in my humble opinion, it's kind of hard to frame setup right now on silver, just for me, because it's more choppy than on gold, right? Gold looks... I mean, once again, I'm not looking for a huge move on gold. I'm looking for conservative levels only. So basically, I'm trading inside consolidation still, from premium to discount, from discount to premium. I hope it makes sense. Yes, exactly. So we can consider silver as SMT. And as you can see, I added SMT indicator with highlighted silver as partial level. Yes, yes, exactly. You can use this for SMT. So partial level taken. Okay. Partial level taken. The rest to this short-term low. Let's see if I get this. Some people, I remember someone told me like, if you see SMT, you can put your stop loss right here. But when I was looking for this short, honestly, it was extremely aggressive stop loss. And this stop loss right above 50% of 5-minute OB. It was risky, I'm not going to lie. So ideal stop loss, in my opinion, was this low right here. So interesting reaction from this partial. It's not so interesting. So for scalp, once again, from order block to order block, from PD ray to PD ray, from same PD rays, right? This is what I call scalp, like from PD ray to PD ray. Quick check right now. Give me 1 second. It's 9 a.m. Okay, going to highlight 9 a.m. Absolutely hard to see this. Okay, question is... Oops. So right now it created this OB on NQ. So we traded above 9 a.m. open. Let's see if 2-minute model can play out the test of this order block. Let's just see this real quick. So basically 2R is going to be right here. Over here. So seems like it's never play out. It's like 2-minute model right now on NQ. To aim for just 2R. We have not same order block, because in my opinion on EOS order block is right here. So basically right now we have 2-minute model on NQ, which is 9 a.m. Hourly power of 3. So 2R is right here. We have news at 10 exactly, but still makes sense to observe this. So idea is strictly to aim for 2R and that's it. I did not backtest this on ES, so hard to execute this on ES. So just hard, in my opinion. Seems a bit more choppy than we have on NQ. So I'm going to observe NQ just for now. Oops. Because so far, it just offered a bit more than 1.2R. A bit more. 1.3R. It's not what I would like to see, honestly. So what makes sense to me on NQ, once again, that's 2-minute model that I was talking about in my educational video that I posted. When? Like, when it was Friday? On Friday. So I do like to see not 1.5 R, which is like when we have 1.5 R, makes sense to move at break even. I already said that many times, but it's not even 1.5. So looking for 2R. Look how ES struggling so far. Don't really like this. Anyway. No, I'm not shorting in Q. I just like it's more in hindsight right now because I didn't check in Q. But let's see if it's going to play out, at least to add to journal. So I'm going to give him take profit trader account. Once again, yes, struggling. We have previous week high on both yes and NQ. So far, this 2-minute model just offered 1.3R. It's not perfect, honestly. It's not even break-even trade yet. So at this point, like imagine I'm in this short. I'm not in this short because I saw this too late. But if I was in this short, like my stop loss must be the same. So I'm not going to move this at break-even just for now until I see invalidation. For example, I can close just a bit early once we can get inversion, but that's it. So just looking right now on current potential short, which is 2R based on 9 IM hourly power of 3. No reason to move stop loss from this swing high, simply because it's most likely will stop you at break even for no reason, in my opinion. Guys, what do you think about this? Should it play out? Previous, close your take partial and promise you're going to take partial at 72.9. Like 3372.9. That's short-term low that I'm aiming right now. If I get this, just take this partial for me. If I get this, of course. So once again, look at yes struggling. I mean, guys, that main reason why I don't want to trade in Q and yes. Like maybe at all, but not at all yet. Still with this. But main reason of this stupid consolidation, like that's the main reason why I stopped trading in yes and Q today. From today. Once again, depends what scalp means. I mean, here's a scalp. I mean, 2R can be just scalp if you just want to aim for like default 2R trade. or nothing. I'm not on the short on NQ, so I saw this too late because I was focusing on short on gold, but you got the point. Previous week high seems so obvious target. What I would like to see, I'm not looking for the short on ES, obviously, doesn't make sense. But I'm looking if may just go below 9:30 a.m. open. Not really below 9 a.m. open because, let's be honest, hard to believe in this. But what can happen ideally? Maybe something like this. Maybe. Maybe. Because if the 2-minute model is going to play out today, I'm going to journal this. So I'm not on this short on Q. I was focusing on gold. I just opened on Q chart. Partial on gold? It's already taken. So basically right here. Right now I'm looking for final target at this short-term low, and that's it. So I don't mind to see previous day low level, honestly, on gold. But who knows, actually. So partial level taken. We have news. We have SMT at silver, by the way, right here. Let's see. Nice once again play from PD ray to PD ray. That's why look how it reversed from partial level, like almost to the tick. If you were talking about trade on gold. News came out. Look at this. Once again, tested this 5-minute OB, tested partial level. Doesn't it? I don't know why it's struggling. Just take the short-term low and do whatever you want. So 2-minute model play out on NQ. Okay. Let me check MNQ right now on 2-minute chart. Just open this on Ninja Trader. Seems like that gap. Give me 1 second. No, I don't have candle, but guys, can you someone check MNQ on a Ninja Trader? Do we have gap? Just for me, can someone check this? Because I was like, maybe something wrong with my my accounts. Ah, okay. Okay. Okay, 2 are play out. I guess I need to. Let's do this. No, it's gap then. Okay. It's not like luck right here. It's we have candle, just gap. Slowly going to New York midnight open. I did not expect honestly to get New York midnight open. I was like maybe 9 a.m. open, maybe 9:30 a.m. open, but that's all I expected to get honestly. Okay. MNQ, MNQ, MNQ leader account. Okay. Basically, it was already sweep on high, if I can consider this as high time frame. So already sweep, I would say. Let's check if on yes it's play out, because I don't know. Like we got the closure right here. So I'm going to place order like this. It's not offered to R. Yeah, it failed. I mean, you want to tell me that it's like failed by 1 tick. On a yes, it failed by 1 tick to offer 2R. Funny. Not funny. Just crazy. Anyway, seems like drop more than I expected. I mean, no complaints about this model play out, but just overall, where is my... Guys, if you did not watch my video about this 2-minute model, I mean, right here, you can watch this on my YouTube. It calls... How it calls? How it calls? Open high, low, close strategy? Something like this. I would say I don't mind to see 2R on a yes then. So let's see if my drop lower. Where is first presented for FHG? Not this one, this one. Okay, we just inverted. Basically, we inverted this 2 times. That's why I hate like sometimes to use first presented fair value gap, because we got a regular fair value gap, then we inverted this fair value gap, then we declaimed this fair value gap. Then I'm like, No. I said you asked me yesterday on Twitter about what confirmation did I use for entry on short for PM session. I said 2-minute order block was offered, but 5-minute order block also confirmed this. Like we got a couple of confirmations, but I did not use 5-minute OB for entry. So entry was based on 2-minute OB. But like since we got 2-minute order block, since we got 5-minute order block, so it was kind of like confirmation, additional confirmation, you know. Yeah. That was the reason. Yeah, I mean, you just can use different PD rays on time frame higher than 2-minute chart to, for example, confirm this. Let's say you're looking for long, bit trading below hourly open. For example, I'm not saying like you need to long right now. For example, we're trading below our 1 hour open. I mean, like, yeah, we got 2-minute OB, but for example, we also traded inside 15-minute bullish fair value gap. Let's say we got high time frame OT, medium time frame OT. Also, we got 5-minute, let's say, inversion or 5-minute OB with 2-minute OB. So at this point, like, you got several confirmations to enter this long, not simply like 2-minute OB and that's it. I hope it makes sense. This is what I meant. No, it wasn't in consolidation because yesterday the reversal happened from 1 hour fair value gap and we traded above 50% of for our BPR. So basically we were inside high time frame level. So like yesterday, remember what I said? I feel like PM is going to be nice because choppy during AM session usually leads expansion than in PM session normally. And yesterday I felt like I need to get 2-minute model to trade this. BPR, yeah. 4-hour BPR. Bell's price range. I hope it makes sense. A reason of that short. Yeah, of course. I mean, a reason why I shorted. It wasn't big short. How many points I got? Like, I don't remember. Let's measure. So I was aiming for lows right here. So where's my 34 was entry? I got 80 points yesterday, like a bit less. So lots of failure swings so far, as you can see. Let's see if it's going to build failure swing as well. Nice reaction from New York midnight open. A bit different, probably because you saw 2-minute chart. $9:40 it's right here. 9:40 a.m. candle. It's 2-minute chart. You have same one? On 1-minute chart. Okay, let's check. Small down close candle. Yes, I saw 30-minute sweep. I even got alert yesterday for 30-minute sweep. I was like, Dasha, run. Just enter the short trade. Oops, 2-minute chart. How is it order block? Because see, we swept this high right here. So basically this candle swept this high. So it makes sense to use just one single candle right here. Look at this amazing reaction from New York midnight open on both ES and Q, but look at this failure to take sell side. Yeah, giveaway. Giveaway is coming, so I will post the link in 9 minutes. Yeah, we got strong SMT right now at lows. This one? This one? Yeah, this one. Why it looks so different? But still SMT, so. I already below this, so oh, 940. You know, it's I reload your chart because this happens a lot with me on 1-minute chart for some magical reason when I don't have candle, just one candle. Yeah, just reload this. By the way, if you watch my video about last video about 2-minute model, I actually explained how you need to pick order block. This example, and actually answered the question about if I need to use single candle or sequence of candles. Guys, I can post the link if you want. It's so hot in the office today. Right here. Okay. Guys, here's the link for the video. Probably, if you didn't see this, probably you didn't see this. If you ask a question about order block. So, link above. So, just posted this, guys. Don't want to pin this message because I'm going to pin a message for giveaway link. For form. Giveaway form, not link. So normally I use sequence, but you should keep in mind sequence can be just one single candle, right? But sequence, my answer sequence, I prefer sequence. When we have huge wick on this let's say I'm looking for bullish order block and we have huge wick, I will not use wick as beginning of order block, let's say top of order block. I will use body, but normally I use entire candle, including wicks, if you want to ask me about this. I hope it was helpful. Yeah, if more questions, just ask me maybe after stream, Instagram, Twitter. So I will try to help you. It's easier for me to record voice message if you're just going to have more questions. Just send me a Twitter or Instagram so I can send you voice message back. So yeah, by the way, did you subscribe to my newsletter? Newsletter on my website. If you did this, so yesterday I sent useful post. So basically, how you need to trade VIX. So it was interesting. Also attached PDF, basically prop firm guide, free PDF, how you need to pass and manage your accounts. Yes, I trade with Elite Trader, so I blew this account long time ago. But yes, just didn't pass this again. But I would say no complaints. Yes, 1% fair value gap on 1 minute chart. I select this run again. No, it should be first presented. 926, right? Am I wrong? Yeah, Elizabeth, yeah, I know this. So once I blew Elite Trader account, so I didn't pass this again. I mean, I already have lots of different accounts. Reason why I don't want to pass this again, because I already have a lot. From what I see so far, we're still inside higher frame market maker buy model. Nice job today. I wouldn't say it was bad price action, honestly. In my humble opinion, today's price action way better than it was yesterday or last week. Just in my humble opinion. Where's my mouse? Interesting. Like, I like this fair value gap right now on. Yes, but we don't have any right now on NQ. So, not going to sit right now on 1 minute chart, but we have on 5 minute chart. We traded into, I would say, an inversion. We don't have any breaker blocks yet, but all we did just traded in this inversion. We got minor SMT between ES and NQ. ES closed inside this bullish fair value gap, which I like. So if you go on my website, lumitraders.com, so it will, like, message will pop on your screen, like, subscribe to newsletter. So I try to post like educational content like at least one time a week. So minor SMT between ES and Q right now. Closed inside this bullish fair value gap, which is a strong sign of bullishness on ES, just for now. Let's see. Just going to check something right now. If it wants to continue, is it possible? Not sure yet. I don't see setup right now on NQ, not going to lie. How to get prop firm guide PDF? If you go to the description of this stream, just click how it looks normally. Just go to description of the stream. You will just scroll down all the way down. You will find prop firm free PDF or something like this. I don't remember how I call this. Unfortunately, I don't see setup on NQ to enter. Not going to lie, just seems like more like better setup on a yes just for now. If you got like break of, market structure, seems like break above the swing high. Just like this more. So you can just, yeah, I don't really like NQ just for now. But yes, doesn't really look bad. I mean, I might like, I'm sorry guys, I might like NQ if it may close above this level, probably. But that's it. That's all I see. Yeah, it was great PDF as well. So just would like to confirm the structure right now. I'm sorry guys, on NQ. Yeah, after partial, like it reversed, as you can see. So right now I'm not going to watch this, but overall I'm bullish. So we would like to see how we can respect equal highs. What can happen right here? Because as you can see on 20-minute sweep, we got 20-minute chart, we got sweep. So makes sense to retrace. So let's see. Anyway, retracement makes sense, at least to this fair value gap again. So no reason anymore. Break even hit. So only partial taken, unfortunately. So I set alerts. So I will continue trading gold maybe for PM session. So one more SMT right now at these highs. So as you can see, NQ doesn't want to confirm any long idea just yet, in my opinion. If we close above this swing high, at least we can get break of structure, and I will like this for continuation higher. Just not for now. What else do we have, guys? Nothing yet? A couple of sweeps. Doesn't want to offer break of structure to upside. Annoying. Crazy weeks. Classic seek and destroy right now on NQ. So once again, I don't see any longs yet on NQ, but if it may confirm any like invalidation of short-term bearish bias right now on NQ, which seems like more bearish than in ES, I might try ES long, but I'm not going to try ES long because right now, just right now, NQ doesn't want to confirm. Just for me, continuation higher. Trader weight, 5-minute candles. What's the difference? Yeah, it can be distortion. Agree with you. Anyway, I will keep my eyes right now on yes, just need to get validation. Permission from NQ. Like couple of SMTs, like at lows and highs. Normally I hate it, so if I can get permission from NQ, I will try long, but otherwise, yes, you'll drop hard right now. Let me delete this. By the way, guys, going to post link right now for giveaway. Forgot. Copy link. Guys, here's a link to enter giveaway. I'm going to post this several times, just for you in case you cannot see this link. If you would like to enter giveaway, also we'll pin this message right now. It's time to enter giveaway, guys. Good luck. We'll pick the winner by the end of the stream. No, is it long? Yes. Yeah, I will look probably in queue right now if it's going to validate. So basically watching for the closure right now. Let's see. Maybe. Because once we can get the closure above this dark line, it's going to break off structure, minor retracement, continuation. So too long here, I guess so. We got the closure. Right now we're trying to retrace. That's what I'm looking at right now. Going straight on Apex. Come on, Dasha, quickly. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I mean, hard to select. Why cannot select all accounts on Replikanto at the same time? Okay, let's see. So we got break of structure to upside once again. We're trying to retrace right now to do this. High, swing high. You're giving. That's strange because everyone got this actually. Can you send me a message on Twitter so I will check this for you? This means just need to put market order immediately. Let's see how we can close on this 1 minute candle. Not sure if I should consider this SMT, to be honest. We just touched this volume balance. I cannot say like we balanced this. Also a little bit sick, but it's okay. I have my not hot anymore, but cold tea. But guys, imagine it's already Wednesday, so time flies. Literally. Kind of a bit tricky, but just notice we just touched this old swing high. So basically we tested break of structure. Just displays. Because, for example, why I was looking for this long on a yes, I can actually explain this. Because once we can get a break of structure in any side, at this point it was break of structure to upside. Normally, price tends to retrace to fair value gap or OB. Since fair value gap was right above OB, so it seems like much more obvious to respect fair value gap and go higher to previous week high, I guess. Oh my god, let's see. By the way, guys, tomorrow I'm sorry, tomorrow I'm going to do giveaway on Twitter, on X. I know like lots of people don't like when I say Twitter. I'm so sorry, but tomorrow, which is Thursday, I'm going to do giveaway on Twitter, which is going to be TradeZella. Yeah. How to find me on Twitter? Like it's easy. Limit Traders. That's pretty much it. Giveaway. 3 accounts, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah. And on Friday, I will do giveaway on stream again. So giveaway on stream on Friday. Once again, guys, I attached the message, pin message on Twitter, not Twitter, in the chat. So if you want to enter giveaway, just click the pinned message and enter giveaway. So I didn't decide if I'm going to do giveaway of probably my funded futures account. Yeah. My funded futures. Yes, I guess so. So still holding SMT seems like. But I would like to see higher. I lost my mouse again. So once again, giveaway on Friday on YouTube, tomorrow on Twitter, today on YouTube. So yes, of course. Today I'm going to do giveaway of Take Profit Trader. So yeah, of course, don't worry. I promised I'm going to do this. Finally. Yeah. A bit slow, but I guess it's okay. So um like it's 10:20, 10:50 can be expansion, like continuation probably. Hot. So hot in the office. So I will announce winners today, of course. So just click the link, pin message in the chat. Just bring your eyes up. You will see form, Google form that you need to fill. And if you're going to fill this like it asks you to fill, you entered giveaway. So I will announce by the end of the stream. You don't need to be on Steam. If you want to go, like you're free to go. You will get email if you want. So don't worry about this. Hope it helps. So right now, just looking for another break of structure. Kind of seems like swing high did not form. Like let's talk about market structure. Like 1, 2, which was 3, 4. And right now, swing high only trying to form. So I cannot consider this a swing high to break to anticipate break of structure to upside because we didn't get break of structure right here. So basically just sweep. So probably swing high is going to be right here, right? That's what I see so far. Minor SMT between ES and Q. So if it wants to be a break of structure, once again, we got the closure. It's already a break of structure. What I would like to see at this point. It must stay above 70.5. So basically OT. overall, no reason to talk about 1 hour chart. Why? Because just looking at 1 hour chart, it's still consolidation, unfortunately. So at least it's trying to give us the retracement that we was talking about before. I'm going to delete. Oh, you got it. It's OT. Cannot get entry to the NQ at all. Like, okay, at least maybe now something might be offered. It's not inversion, just potential inversion. So highlighted this has gray box. Come on. So we're still inside 2-minute fair value gap. Let's see how we can respect. So maybe I will give it a try. So basically, 2-minute chart, my favorite chart. Nothing on 3-minute chart. So basically, if I want to say, look at this 30-minute candle, that's crazy. If I want to say the SIP, like nothing confirmed yet because we don't have 3-minute change in the state of delivery yet. Seek and destroy right now on hourly. Why you ask me about like why I switch trades in gold? I guess you don't want to ask me anymore about this because amazing perception. So as I said before, looks like it's offered SMT, but just for now, it's still valid market structure to upside. As long as we stay above this low, basically we can call this like protected low. Sorry guys, I know lots of black colors on my screen right now, but you got my point. I'm going to just make this a bit smaller. So this is protected low right here. And once price can break this protected low, market structure to downside, where we can go, probably to equilibrium of previous day range. That's it. Right now, just consolidation. So I'm happy right now I'm not in this trade. I'm happy I did not offer like retracement before. Right now I'm inside OT. That's a good sign. But we don't want to displace yet. But it's still, in my opinion, it's still bullish structure as long as we stay above this dotted line, which is protected low. If it's going to hold this protected low, we will go higher to IM session buy side liquidity. Let's see. Right now we're inside OT. Order block. So waiting for basically displacement, and I will jump this long trade. Closed inside 2-minute fair value gap. So that's 2-minute fair value gap. Looks like this on 1-minute chart. It looks a bit ugly, but it is what it is. So overall, I'm bullish on high time frame, but once again, right now I see can destroy. We're just moving from premium to discount. I was looking for this long, not in this long yet, because we just got retracing that I was waiting for. So if it may displace, so I will try to buy side liquidity right here, new high of the day. Just doesn't want to displace yet, but once again, I will try if it wants to retrace. Doesn't want to do this for now, just for now. Yeah, exactly. So I will call this like PL, which is protected low. And if we're going to break this, this means we can get change in order flow. We didn't get this yet, so we should be good. Just for now. I mean, why we should be good? We're just waiting for entry. I'm just waiting for entry. Still inside this range. If it's going to break, so I'm going to change my mind. So basically, once again, seek and destroy looks like this normally. Look at this 1 hour candles. See this? Come on, everyone anticipate to see this chop after we got sip of both sides, especially after we got a break below. Actually, we took overnight levels. It already was kind of obvious. It's going to be not perfect. Once again, when we have high time frame consolidation, IM looks like this. Not IM. Okay, IM session looks like this most of the time, unfortunately. Am I missing something right now? Let's see. On 15-minute chart, probably I'm not missing something because it's just chop. But on 15-minute chart, okay, we feel this volume imbalance. And it's trying to give us that. Okay, that makes much more sense right now. So basically, it's trying to give us the action from this volume imbalance. Absolutely nothing is going on yes. Ugly. On 5-minute chart, we just expected 5-minute. Actually, failed to just expect 5-minute OB. We simply got sweep, the trace on back to old 5-minute order block, invalidating propulsion block. You know, like 3-minute chart. Still, once again, if I want to consider this as a sweep, I really would like to get a closure below protected low. So it will be closure below protected low, which will change the structure from bullish to bearish. And it will offer change in the state of delivery as well. Nothing yet. So I'm not going to just talk about short just yet. We inverted this fair value gap, still trading near 10 a.m. open. What's wrong with this price action? Someone asked me if I'm Russian. I'm not really Russian. I'm from Belarus. But yes, I do speak Russian, if it was your question. See how ES closing inside 1 minute fair value gap. What is this? Just trade different market, guys. Main reason why I decided to trade gold today and last night was because I see NQ clearly chop. I will make money on a different market. So yesterday, along with, it was for micros trade, but I got 15 points move on gold, which was amazing profit. So stay positive. Yeah, guys, look at this life. Look at this this life. At this life with smile. Otherwise, you know what will happen? Depression. I cannot switch easily. Just trust me. Just yesterday, once again, when I went to bed, I was like, Dasha, consider market as just candlesticks. Okay, gold, like imagine gold is not gold. It's just candlesticks. What would you do, for example, if it wasn't Q? For example, I would short, I would long. Okay, I just will long or short. That's it. This is how you should do as well. So let me share what I decided to trade. So gold slash silver. So basically, why I would like to say gold slash silver, because it's SMC pairs. Then CL slash HO, basically SMT, and that's it. I don't need like a lot, just for now. Yes, of course. But if you're looking for scalp, not huge moves, just trust me, you don't need huge moves. You will be fine. I guess so. But yesterday I didn't know if it was news on gold, but 9 p.m. moved $15 like for at 9 p.m. For maybe 20 minutes. It was maybe even less. It was kind of fast. I was wondering if it was news or something, because I actually didn't get if any news, just nothing. I saw setup, I entered setup, that's it. So we have SMC at lows once again. Beautiful. Not beautiful. ICT space. Unfortunately, I cannot listen ICT spaces because I'm with my kids during the weekend. So it's impossible, just simply impossible to listen his spaces and be with kids. It's impossible. Once again. So once I will long, I will show you. So I'm not in yet. Oh yeah, I actually show you. Normally try to show you. If I'm not, for example, sometimes I execute on my laptop, so I steam on computer. So sometimes I simply cannot show because I execute not on my monitor. Sometimes I execute personal account and it's on my laptop. So this is when I don't show executions because it's impossible to show this. But when I trade prop firms, I try to show you. Not try, I actually show you. I'm not in yet. I like this SMT. That's it. Doesn't want to respect this inversion. But look how we closed inside the 2-minute fair value gap. How can I short this? It's impossible just for now. Still trying to hold this PL, protected low. It's just like 50-50 right now. So I will put this back when I will be in trade. So why this protected low is important? Because once we can get break below this protected low, it's changed another flow. Basically, so far as you can see this right here, it shows break of structure to upside to continue going higher. If it's going to be like break below this level, so we will get what? Lower high. First invalidation. That's what I'm talking about right now. As you can see, it's still. You saw this? What it was? I steam at 9. I try to go to live at 9:30 a.m. Sometimes at 9:20, but 9:30. So once again, guys, I will switch my eyes on gold. If you want to trade gold with me, trade gold with me, because right once again, from what I see so far, gold moves way better, especially for like between 8 a.m. and 9:30 a.m. So I'm so sorry about this. So most of the time, it's just better for me, since I see set up on gold, better to execute gold and just I don't need to sit and watch how candlesticks moves in the range on NQ. I hope it makes sense. Waste of energy. Like right now, for example. Ah, guys, that's crazy. But this price action is crazy. Yeah, every day. I try. Sometimes if I'm not in Steam, this means I'm busy with other stuff. But normally, every day. We'll start to trade PM session with you guys as well, but not this month. Maybe next month, at least a couple of times a week. I will trade PM session. When I'm not going to Steam AM session, this means I'm going to Steam PM session, but probably next month. Because guys, not going to lie, last 2 months, my best trades taken in PM session only. Best trades. Low risk buy, low risk sell. And in my opinion, easy to get 100 points for PM session, especially after we got this job for AM session. Yeah, it will be same, but for PM session, maybe a bit longer because PM not that fast. But come on, like I am also not fast. What I'm talking about. Yes. Next month, instead of, I mean, like, maybe it's going to be like 3 times a week AM session, 2 times a week PM session, like this. Just I hope I talked about this yesterday. Seems like if we want to divide this year on quarters, first quarter we normally want to anticipate accumulation, but in reality we got continuation of quarter 4. This means quarter 2 will be consolidation, accumulation. This is what we have right now. So basically what this means, quarter 3 is going to be manipulation. This means we will get expansion. Sounds amazing, sounds brilliant. So that's why next month it will start manipulate. Makes sense to Steam PM session. I mean AM session and PM session. I trade PM session most of the time. Exactly, yes. So because in my opinion, 1 p.m. I would say from 1 p.m. to 2 p.m. Happens a reversal or big retracement, exactly as it happened before during 10 a.m. reversal retracement. So in my opinion, it just seems like they switched. Like AM looks like PM, old PM, and PM looks like old AM. In my opinion. So and I consider, I don't know why, like 1 p.m. but 1 p.m. as 10 a.m. and reversals for some magical reason happens between 1 p.m. and 2 p.m. and silver bullet simply continuation. So yeah, the problem is that gold setup sometimes happens like at 8:30 a.m. So if it's not going to be like at this time, probably it will be 9:30 a.m. But maybe I will start steaming early if I want to enter the trade on gold. But let's see. So I'm not going to promise because I cannot see the future. How it will look, I have no idea. Yeah, it's time, guys. It's time. Just, you know, I don't know why I just realized this. Like, yes, I saw lots of people like saying, oh, NQ was ugly, it was consolidated. But in reality, what's the problem to trade different market? What's the problem? Do you see the problem? I don't see the problem. No one sees the problem, right? No. I will show you immediately once I'm in trade on my trading platform. Don't pay attention to this risk reward tool. It just trade idea, I guess so. I just didn't get this. Like, you blaming price action. Like, I also was like this. So, no reason to blame price action simply because you cannot frame the trade. What is like solution? Why don't want to trade gold? Why don't want to trade CL? Why don't want to trade something? But easier, of course, to blame the market because it looks stupid, seek and destroy consolidation. Just spend your time on research how gold moves, what kind of news you need to monitor for this. That's it. That's my friendly advice, guys. I know this hard. This hard, unfortunately. But it is what it is. No one will tell you this, but I will tell you this. Why is that problem? I mean, okay, it's okay not to trade at all when, let's say, you're looking for CL. It looks like a shirt. Gold, it looks like you got it. Silver, okay, when it looks like you got it, what is it? Then yes, it's nice to stay away. But when, for example, in Q consolidation, trade different market. You got it. Lots of mosquitoes in our house. On gold, between 4 and 6 micros, you will tell me that's not a lot. That's okay. $15 move is for micros count. It's like $600. Should I be worried about this to trade micros? 4 6 micros. That's my answer. Look at it. Yes. I mean, looks ugly. Okay, you know why you cannot trade gold on my funded futures, guys? And I would like to tell you, if you're about to get my funded futures account, you will have option to pick the data. So once again, it will offer the data for NQ, ESYM, RTY. It will offer the data for gold, silver, and it will offer the option to pick CL and something else, HO and something else. So you can pick just one option, unfortunately. But I believe here, if you're going to get several accounts, for example, you can get like one for CME data, another one for example, to trade gold. If not mistaken, this work like this. That's why you cannot trade gold on your My Funded Futures account, simply because you have CME data. Just be aware of this. If you want to get like My Funded Futures account, you need to understand what instrument you want to trade. I hope it makes sense. Oh, you can activate both? Just ask. Okay, guys, ask. Good. Thank you for letting us know. Ask support, guys. I didn't know about this. Thank you. That's great. Thank you. Thank you so much. It helps. Yeah, you're welcome. So that's also good to know. I'm going to make a note because when I, oh my god, when I tell people to buy my funded futures, also I got these questions, but I didn't know about support. 1Q is moving, but guys, remember what I was talking about market structure? Sometimes it's very important. See what happened? Basically, nothing happened. Protected low level was broken. We got move higher. I cannot say like high is in to anticipate this a swing high. It's not really yet, but we already got another break of structure, so I can just move this, for example, like break of structure. It's like just classic understanding of market structure, right? Mm. Overall, guys, what I want to say today's price action is way better than it was for the last 2 weeks. Way better. What time is this? I'm just yeah, it's time to giveaway. So let me guys. Okay, 5 more minutes to enter giveaway. Let me copy a link for you guys. Just 5 more minutes to enter giveaway if you just joined. If you just joined, please enter giveaway. I will start announcing winners, 3 winners, at 11:10. Mm-hmm. 11:10. Guys, if you just joined, please enter giveaway just right now because I will announce winners already in 4 minutes. You have time. Okay? And guys, don't forget to like the stream, so I will appreciate your support. And once again, tomorrow I will do giveaway on Twitter, and on Friday I will do giveaway on YouTube again. Okay? You knew I will do giveaway of Take Profit Trader accounts. 50K Take Profit Trader accounts. Some of my cold tea. Okay, guys, good luck. 2 more minutes, and I will start 90 winners. Let me find app to pick the winner. I want to trade at gold today. That's it. It's like base hit already. So this morning I said I'm going to start trading only gold, and I traded only gold. What winner's going to get? You will get, if you're going to be winner, 150K take profit trader account. I only scalped short. That's it. Funding ticks. It's like old Forex prop firm, right? So I have base hit today on my Apex accounts. I traded gold. So I need to get the valuation to trade another. I mean, like, I have base hit. I don't want to like break this rule. I got base hit on gold today with partial. Could be more, but once again, my runner stopped at break-even. I don't have a valuation to try to trade, to take another trade. I would take if I got evaluation. I need to get evaluation so I can execute another steps. Protected stop. You tell me, guys, how do you think where is protected low right now? Who knows? Who can tell me where is protected low right now on NQ? Does anyone know? Hmm? Who can tell us? What time frame? 1 minute chart, 2 minute chart. 10:17? Uh-uh. 7:10? Uh-uh. Tell me the time, please. It's easier to understand. Time. Time. What time? 10:46. Good job, yeah. Who can tell me why it's protected high? Does anyone know why it's protected? Not protected high, protected low. Why it's protected low? Who knows? Why right here is protected low? Not because of SMT. Any other answers? Why right here is protected low? Why I cannot say protected low? I know, like right here at this swing low. Not because of SMT. Another answer. Not because of water block. No. Exactly. Because we got break of structure. Exactly. Once you got break of structure, swing low becomes protected low right here. Make sense? Exactly. Structure. That's the right answer. Exactly. So we got the closure above swing high. We got continuation of the trend, confirmation of continuation of the trend. So break of structure confirmed. This means last swing low as this retracement, which failed to break protected low, is going to be what? What? Protected low again. New protected low. I hope it makes sense. See how we're respecting 50% of this 2-minute wick? Looks nice. Yeah, you got it. So I slept very bad today. Protected low. PL means protected low. So you want to talk about this? About protected low, protected high? I can ask questions, you will try to answer. Want this? If you don't want this, I will do this anyway. So once again, it's important to talk about this because we should understand market structure. We've trying to talk about reversal, continuation, and blah, blah, blah. So basically, break of structure is signal of continuation, right? Right? Right. So looking right now at structure right here. So what happened? We got sweep. Why I cannot say Why I cannot say this is break of structure? Let me highlight with horizontal line. Why right here is not break of structure? Why I cannot say we will get pullback and we'll continue going higher? Why? Yes, exactly, because we got sweep. But my next question is, where should I say we will get change in structure to downside? Who can tell me how can I anticipate potential change in structure? For example, break of structure from upside to downside. What should I get first sign of invalidation? Yeah, it can be order block. So talking about break of structure to upside, what is going on right here? What it's creating every single time? What it's creating right here? What is this? What this dots means? How we call this? This dots right here. What is this? Exactly, higher high. But what invalidation of break of structure to upside? What should we get right here to say probably will retrace lower? So for example, we got higher high right here. We want to get what? Higher low, right? But once we can get lower high instead of higher high right here, first invalidation is in. So what this means? Once we can get, once again, lower high, this formation of change in the state of delivery, once again, change in structure from upside to downside, we got higher high, we got retracement. I'm still fine. We still can go higher to offer break of structure to upside. So basically, in reality, it can look like this, for example. It still can go higher. Let me move a little bit so you can see this. It still can go higher. It still can close above this swing high right here. But if it will go like back to deep premium and will form what? Lower high, exactly. But of course, we cannot say for sure it's lower high until, for example, let me do like this. So we can be sure if it's going to be lower high as long as we got OB at this lower high. So once we got lower high at this order block, so we got change in structure. So this means right here we anticipate to see potential continuation lower to high time frame level, any high time frame level. This part makes sense to you. That's why I said back on NQ. Right here, see I highlighted this. We got break of structure. Right here, it's not break of structure, see? Right here, it's not break of structure. Continue going higher. We got the closure, retraced. So basically, since we got the closure, this swing low is going to be protected low, right? Right. So, okay, it failed right here, still bullish structure. Then we went up. We got break of structure to upside again. So this low becomes protected low right here. So right now we have another leg. So for example, at this point where we can retrace at least to 50%. Sorry guys, at least to 50% equilibrium of this leg, ideally, or OT. But if it's going to be break below this protected low, so structure changed. So how to understand order block? So I explained this in my last video about how to trade open, high, low, close. I have separate slide how to trade, how to pick order block. So at this point, we don't want to talk about short-term low, intermediate-term low, but only talking about higher high, lower low, lower high, higher low. Oh, you know, sometimes, even if you're king in market structure, sometimes you don't even pay attention on this. It's annoying. That's really annoying. But when you like journal your losses, for example, you clearly can see, why should I short from here? I mean, from here, if structure never tell me to short this? What's the point behind the short? Zero point behind the short, especially if it's reversal literally from nowhere, right? Boring, but it is what it is. Can we break 15 on barcode? I hope so, but so guys, that's what I want to talk about. It's already 11:30, so I'm going to do giveaway, not 11:20. I'm going to do giveaway right now. So you cannot enter anymore. So we have two. Okay, let me. What can I show you? Okay, guys, time for giveaway. I'm going to pick random numbers. Random number generator. It's right here. Okay, here we go. So you guys a bit slow. I know. Don't hate me for this. Uh, so once again, we have 240 entries. So it will start from 2 to 240. And let me open let's open MNQ. So I will share winners right here. Okay, first one. 235. Okay. $235. Okay, first winner is I'm going to put in the chat first. First winner is this guy or girl. I don't know. First one. Okay, next one. 123. Oh, such a beautiful number. 123. Next winner is congratulations. Let me add right here. And congratulations, guys, congratulations. And next one and last one. 37. 37 is oh, it's interesting comment actually. It's a give me please. So you got it. Congratulations. So guys, you will get email from me as soon as possible. So here's winners. Congratulations, guys. So tomorrow I will do giveaway on Twitter, and on Friday I will do giveaway on YouTube again. So if you didn't win today, you will win next time. So it's okay. I never won in my life, so congratulations, guys. So here's the winners. We'll take screenshot of this. Save this. So guys, here's the winners. Congratulations. What else do I want to say? ES looks like not perfect. And he looks way better. Okay, guys, I will see you tomorrow. But tomorrow I will do giveaway on Twitter. Once again, we'll do TradeZella giveaway. TradeZella giveaway. It's going to be 3 winners. That's it, guys. That's it. So, don't make stupid mistakes. Trade smart, not hard. Right now, you can take a break and come back after lunch. It will offer some good moves. I hope so. See you tomorrow, guys. Bye bye.